Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So this is the design that I created on my nails this week. I used Flexi press tips and I used the stiletto style to create them. So in this video I don't actually show you how I applied the Flexi press tips because I have done that a few times and I thought I'd go for something different and just basically show you the nail art that I put on top of them. So here what I'm using is a Brush Up Builder Gel in the shade Beige Shimmer, and I used it like a gel polish basically because it's like a nice nudie colour and I really liked it. I thought it was quite, I just thought it was real pretty, so I used it as a gel polish. Went in with some top coat here and then I used some chrome powder, the holographic chrome powder, to create an ombre style. I started at the tip of the nail and faded it up the nail. So I cured each coat of the Brush Up Build Gel in the LED lamp for 60 seconds along with my top coat for 60 seconds. And then just applied another top coat and cured that for 60 seconds and applied my cuticle oil. So on my forefinger I did like a little bit of a marble design, so I went in again with the Brush Up Builder Gel in the shade Porcelain and I applied 2 coats of this colour to my nail. Once again I used it like a bit like a gel polish, so yeah. I thought it was really nice. It's like it's not a stark white. It looks more of a an off, like I don't know, a milky white. I'm not sure it was just it's a nice kind of white. It's not so bright a white. And then with a 4-in-1 gel polish in the shade Tracy and my detail brush I went in, this one is Gracie, I think. Yeah, it was the shade Gracie. I went in and just created some lines in a marble design, and then with my 4-in-1 gel polish in the shade Tracy, I did the same kind of thing, just sort of going over those lines that I'd previously created. And then I used my foil transfer gel and I used this foil here, the little bits of gold there. So I applied that to my nail and then I cured it in my LED lamp for 30 seconds and then I applied the foil to my nail, just sort of patted it on, rubbed it down, and it created like a little bit of a gold addition to the marble design. I really liked it. I was dead chuffed with this. I think this is probably my favourite nail. I loved it. So then I went in with some non-wipe UV gel top coat and cured that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds and applied my cuticle oil. Love it. So then on my middle finger I went in with Brush Up Builder Gel in the shade Porcelain, and then I applied this to the tip of the nail and just faded it up the nail, and then again in the shade Beige Shimmer I went down from the cuticle area and down to the middle of the nail and I just sort of blended those two together. So it's a little bit like a French manicure, like a faded French manicure, or I think is it Baby Boomer? I'm not really sure. So French manicure version of it. I don't know, but I really liked it. Anyway, so I did 1 coat of that, cured that for 60 seconds. Then I went in with another coat on top of that and again just blended those two together and cured that for 60 seconds. Then I went in with my non-wipe UV gel top coat, cured that for about 50 seconds in my LED lamp. And then I went over the top of that with my Galaxy Chrome powder. I actually applied 2 coats of this because I really wanted the sparkle to be like really shine through, because I am all about the sparkle, which I just love. So I just love how beautiful this powder is. I mean, look at it. It is amazing. So then I went in with my non-wipe UV gel top coat over the top of that. And then I cured it in my LED lamp for 60 seconds and applied my top coat. Love it. So sparkly. So then on my ring finger I went in again with Porcelain and I applied 2 coats of this, again in the same fashion as I've done on the others, like a gel polish basically. Cured each coat in my LED lamp for 60 seconds, and then I went in and applied my matte gel top coat to the nail. Cured that for 60 seconds in my LED lamp, and then with my non-wipe UV gel glossy top coat, I drew a heart with my dotting tool. It's like you can just about see it form in there. As you can see, it's just glossy, and I just applied that to my nail, cured that in my LED lamp for about 40 seconds, 40 to 50 seconds. And then in my chrome powder in the shade English Rose Gold, I went over that, and as you can see, it just came out beautiful. And I just went over the outline in another colour. I think this was Tracy in my 4-in-1 gel polish. Just to outline the heart, basically, just to make it a little bit sharper. And then I went over it with top coat. I really love that. I think it's really cute. And then I cured that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds and applied cuticle oil. So then on my little finger, I did something similar basically. But I went in with beige shimmer here on this ring, on the little finger, sorry. So I applied 2 coats of this, cured each coat for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. And then with my Pro Gel in the shade Wedding Dress. Oh, first of all, before I did that, I applied matte top coat. So this is similar to the ring finger, but obviously just on my little finger. Applied the matte top coat and cured that. And then I went in with my Pro Gel in the shade Wedding Dress, and I drew a star. Yeah, a 5-point star, is it? Yeah. Anyway, I drew the star. And then I filled it in with the shade, with the colour, and I cured that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then what I did, I went over that with my non-wipe UV gel top coat, the glossy one. Just coloured in that star, just went over the top of it basically with the fine detail brush. Cured that in my LED lamp for about 50 seconds. And then I went over that with my holographic chrome powder, and it's really pretty. It came out like a little bit like a silver rainbow. Look at it, it's so beautiful. Look at the colours on that. So then I just brushed off the excess powder and went over the outline again in the same 4-in-1 gel polish in the shade Tracy. Cured that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then I went in with my non-wipe UV gel top coat. Cured that for 60 seconds and applied cuticle oil. So I really do hope you enjoyed my video this week, guys. As always, if you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All links to the items that I used in this video will be in the description box below, along with my discount code Beautified10 for you all to take advantage of. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it, and I shall see you in my next video. Take care and stay safe, guys. Bye.